Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Puniparam 3. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos, and do not forget to comment in my videos. Today, our topic is going to be how to customize your desktop and make it look clean.
Oh my god! Wow!
And at the end of the video, your PC is going to look like this. So let's go to the computer screen.
So we are on a computer screen. This may be your basic PC screen. Like most of them, your PCs will look like this with a basic wallpaper and all. But by the end of this video, everything is going to change. The first thing you should go do is right click on the taskbar. Here there's an option of toolbars. In that toolbars, you need to click the second option, which is links, because it's the most useless option of them all. Okay. Now the next thing you should do is make sure that your locks taskbar is unlocked, and also go to search. Here's the second option, search, and either hide it or select the search icon. I'm going to select the search icon. It's not mandatory, you may hide it, but it shouldn't be the search box. You need to only ensure that. Now drag these links till the edge where till these two lines are there. So this will come here and those will automatically go there. Now here your work is to do, like, you need to drag this and you need to place it in the center and lock it. Done. It looks better. Now you need to, what the thing you need to do is go to right click, go to personalize and select your wallpaper of your mesh. I'm going to select this one, this wallpaper. It looks good. And the third thing you should do is right click, select the go to the view, select small icons, which doesn't, many people will say that. No, keep it medium. I don't care about that. Just show desktop icons. You need to untick it. It looks better than before, but there are more things to do. Go to the Microsoft Store. Now the Microsoft Store is opening. After going to the Microsoft Store, go to search and type translucent TB. Here you will get T here TB. It will be the icon, blue and green. Go there and install it. It will install in a minute. It's not much MB. It's just 2 MB almost. Yeah, 2.17 MB. So just it'll be downloaded in a few seconds. Now the thing you should do is open it. If you open it, it'll automatically just become invisible. But many people continue. And here you need to close. See, this looks so neat, but there's more steps. This became neat. Now you should go to your Chrome, open your account and search rainmeter and enter. Here the first link, rainmeter desktop customization tool. Here you need to click on the here, and here you'll get an option, download Windows 7 or above. So make sure your laptop is or PC Windows 7 or above. Click on the download option. So after downloading, just open it, select the language, standard installation, install 64 and launch it and install. It'll ask you for user account control, click on yes. Now it's finished, click on finish. Close this. Oh sorry, you shouldn't close it. First go, now search rainmeter skins. The first one, visual skins, go there. The best looking one over here is Mont. Yes, it's this one, Mont, which is this rainmeter theme. Scroll down and here there's an option 1.9 MB download Mont. Click on here. Now your Mont skin has downloaded. Click on it and keep it like this and click on install. 12 o'clock and cell says you nothing's to do and close. Now you can observe what happened. Yeah. Remove this mount player. You just click on unload skin and recycle bin even you click on unload. And hey guys, here's your PC customized and it looks so clean. For this today's video, thank you. Bye bye.